Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Just last week I got an opportunity to visit 700 Shipping Company office as well as their college. So let me share my feedback on this. So the first thing was I got to visit the Chief Financial Officer Mr. Warren Pinto. Then I got to visit Captain Pradeep Korea, who is the Chief Operational Officer. I'll tell you. Then I got to visit DPA Captain Nimish Matre. Then I got to visit Superintendent Guneet Bandal sir, Technical Superintendent. ये मेरे ही कॉलेज के पास आउट है. So from Chief Financial Officer Warren Pinto, I got to know कि कंपनी का विजन क्या, how they are looking at it. The video is already made. I'll be posting it later. Watch and understand कि उनका विजन क्या है. Then I got to learn from DPA Captain Nimish Matre that he had worked in different shipping companies, what he liked about Seven Island. Then I got to meet Guneet Bandal sir, who is my college pass out और मेरे 2 year seniors हैं, उनसे मैंने कंटाप भी खाया है इन कॉलेज. सो उनसे बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली आई गॉट टू विजिट चीफ ऑपरेशनल ऑफिसर कैप्टन प्रदीप कोरिया एंड who is also the managing director of the college as well. Now Captain Pradeep Korea has got a very huge experience in maritime fraternity. He was a captain sailing, then he joined Varun Shipping, वहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा experience है. Then he joined Great Eastern and he was there in with Great Eastern when they were building their college from scratch. So he was there and then today he is with 700 Shipping Company. So उनके पास गजब experience था, उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. There's another interview जिससे आप सीखे कि आपका विजन क्या होना चाहिए. But at the end of the day, when we were talking all together, my concern was, sir, कि I want to know your infrastructure is no matter how good it is. Sir, my concern is waiting period कितना कम है. If you can keep your waiting period low, sir, you will already be much better than a lot of shipping companies. Those who have got a great infrastructure, great everything. But a student has to wait for 12 months to join a ship. 14 months for join a ship. So are you doing something about that? So that is where Captain Pradeep Korea told that I have got my own experience and we will ensure that there is a minimum waiting period at the college. Now that is what they promised. Let us see after 1 saal, 1.5 years, what the students of the college say on the college portal Merchant Navy Decoded, that how much was their waiting period. So if their waiting period is less, already a lot of shipping companies are struggling with the waiting period, तो बहुत सारे बच्चे यहाँ जाएंगे. Now they said, sir, but our aim is, that is what Captain Pradeep Korea said, that our aim is not to become just better than the 3-4 colleges that you are talking about. I'm not going to name those colleges, but we want to be the best in the entire country. So I said, if you want to be the best in the entire country, then get those shipping companies जिनका नाम हो standard पे at that pedestal. So that yes, so that is where they said that they are tying up with Seaspan Shipping Company. Already the MOU has been signed, and they are signing up with other shipping companies, and they are in talks with V-Ships as well. And other shipping companies. That time will tell. जब वो news आएगी, I'll be sharing it with you. Even the students of the college will be sharing in the college portal itself. So that is where you guys will come to know कि अभी ये college क्या कर रहा है. But I was happy that the waiting period, which is my major concern, उस पे they are working hard. Let us see. So next day I got to visit the college, जहाँ पर principal sir Mr. Rajiv Prakash, he is my college pass out, मेरे college के बहुत senior हैं. उसके बाद Captain Narendra Kumar, ये सब they all these people and other faculties were there to welcome me. I really liked that. Thank you very much, sir. So again, I got a chance to visit the whole college campus with them and see what is happening in the college. Then they took me and we had a 1 hour long discussion about what I am doing with Merchant Navy Decoded, what is my vision. मैं Merchant Navy fraternity के लिए क्या कर रहा हूँ. And then they took me to an auditorium where all the students of GP rating, GME, ETO were sitting. अभी DNS batch has not yet started. And then there was a 1 hour seminar, a boring seminar मेरा जो कि वहाँ पर हुआ. Again, video will be shared in the YouTube as well. So after that, the most touching point that I liked about the college authorities was उन्होंने बोला sir separately for GME, ETO and as well as GP rating. Sir, you take their class. There will be no one from the authority present over there and talk to them. Let us have their feedback, and that was the most touching thing. मैंने वहाँ पर GP rating के अलग बच्चों के साथ बैठा. I was sitting separately in another class with GME students, then separately with ETO students. I got a lot to talk with them, and that's it between them and me. But the feedbacks that I got, I shared with the college itself, which I liked really. So मुझे एक तरह से बच्चों के साथ बात करने का मौका मिला, उनके साथ सपने शेयर करने का मौका मिला, और यहाँ पर एक कॉलेज के बारे में पता चला. Those who really want कि waiting period कम रहे, and they were really ready to struggle to make sure that जो बच्चे वहाँ से निकले, they perform well. So all in all, ये कॉलेज अभी नया खुला है. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. You also do that. And within 1 year, if they keep the waiting period less, I'll be the first one to project that. Apart from that, if more shipping companies are coming to Seven Island, I'll be the first one to project that. And I told authorities again and again that yes, give them the best infrastructure if you can, give them the best facilities if you can, give them the best food if you can. If you can't do all those things, does not matter, but give them less waiting period, give them best shipping companies. That's all they need. And with this, my experience out here I've shared with you guys, and I hope आने वाले टाइम में और कॉलेजेस और कंपनीज में विजिट कर पाऊंगा और ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस आपका शेयर कर पाऊंगा. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, प्लीज गाइज, I have made various portals because at the end of the day I just made one visit, right? तो मैं यहाँ पर जितने भी बच्चे थे वहाँ पर at Seven Island, I request them कि जब आप उस कॉलेज से बाहर निकलें, so whatever you experienced, suppose your waiting was 3 months, suppose your waiting was 6 months, suppose your waiting was 1 month, or which college you joined, which company you joined, just share it on the Merchant Navy Decoded College portal and do that honestly, so that बाकी लोगों को पता चले, because it is those reviews that we are going to share out on platform, and that is what is important for us. So please do that, because आप ही हमारी आंखें हैं. आप अगर सही चीज़ बताएंगे तो हम बाकी लोगों को वैसे गाइड कर पाएंगे. तो अगर कॉलेज अच्छा है तो पूरे हिंदुस्तान को पता चले, ये ज़रूरी है, और अगर कॉलेज अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है तो भी पूरे हिंदुस्तान को पता चले. एंड दैट इज हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट अ ट्रांसपेरेंट मैरीटाइम कम्युनिटी. विद दिस ऑल आई कैन से जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता.